What if I told you that achieving your fitness goals in 2025 could be easier than ever? That's right, with the right fitness watch, you can track your progress, monitor your health, and stay motivated like never before. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 fitness watches that are taking the world by storm. From advanced health tracking to sleek designs, these watches are a must-have for every fitness enthusiast. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is perfect for you. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra. Why Apple Watch Ultra? Rugged and capable, built to meet the demands of endurance athletes, outdoor adventurers, and water sports enthusiasts, with a specialized band for each. Up to 36 hours of battery life, plus all the Apple Watch features that help you stay healthy, safe, and connected. Extremely rugged, incredibly capable 49mm corrosion-resistant titanium case. Larger digital crown and more accessible buttons. 100mm water resistance. Customizable action button for instant physical control over a variety of functions. Biggest, brightest display, yet a bright always-on retina display that's easy to see, even in direct sunlight. More room for adding complications to customize your watch face. For endurance athletes, advanced metrics in the workout app, including heart rate zones and running form. Precision dual-frequency GPS for accuracy, distance, route, and pace calculations. Trail loop band is thin, light, and flexible, designed especially for runners. Number 2. Garmin Forerunner 745, GPS running watch. Swim, bike, run, do it all with a smartwatch that uses multiple satellite systems to accurately track your workouts. Switch up your workout routine whenever you like with preloaded activity profiles for running, triathlon, multi-sport, cycling, pool swimming, track running, and more. Receive on-device run and cycling daily workout suggestions based on your current training load and VO2 max. Get training guidance by syncing structured indoor or outdoor workouts to your device from Garmin Connect or other apps, when paired with a compatible smartphone, including Training Peaks and TrainerRoad. Analyze more data to help you reach your race potential, including advanced running, cycling, and swimming dynamics. Number 3. Garmin Forerunner 745, GPS running watch. Swim, bike, run, do it all with a smartwatch that uses multiple satellite systems to accurately track your workouts. Switch up your workout routine whenever you like with preloaded activity profiles for running, triathlon, multi-sport, cycling, pool swimming, track running, and more. Receive on-device run and cycling daily workout suggestions based on your current training load and VO2 max. Get training guidance by syncing structured indoor or outdoor workouts to your device from Garmin Connect or other apps, when paired with a compatible smartphone, including Training Peaks and TrainerRoad. Analyze more data to help you reach your race potential, including advanced running, cycling, and swimming dynamics. Number 4. Amazfit Cheetah Pro 47mm Running Sports Smartwatch. Premium smartwatch design, the Amazfit Cheetah Pro blends a titanium alloy bezel with a sleek polymer body, offering a stylish and rugged smartwatch that's perfect for any running session. Exceptional GPS accuracy, utilizing MaxTrack dual-band technology, these GPS watches for men provide nearly 100% satellite signal reception, providing precise tracking in challenging environments. Personalized training plans, Zepp Coach leverages AI for tailored workouts and fitness watches, offering the smartwatch users real-time insights to enhance exercise efficiency and safety. Extended battery performance, with up to 14 days of battery life, this smartwatch provides uninterrupted functionality, including 44 hours in smart GPS mode for extensive tracking. Number 5. Garmin vívoactive 5, Health and Fitness GPS Smartwatch. Designed with a bright, colorful AMOLED display, get a more complete picture of your health, thanks to battery life of up to 11 days in smartwatch mode. Body battery energy monitoring helps you understand when you're charged up or need to rest, with even more personalized insights based on sleep, naps, stress levels, workouts, and more. data presented is intended to be a close estimation of metrics tracked. Get a sleep score and personalized sleep coaching for how much sleep you need, and get tips on how to improve plus key metrics such as HRV status to better understand your health. Data presented is intended to be a close estimation of metrics tracked. Find new ways to keep your body moving with more than 30 built-in indoor and GPS sports apps, including walking, running, cycling, HIIT, swimming, golf and more. And there you have it, the top 5 best fitness watches of 2025. Which one are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more game-changing recommendations. All the product links are in the description, so go check them out. Until next time, stay fit and motivated.